Hi Jack. What are you doing?
I am fine, Jill. Waiting for ma'am to start exercise 9.1.
Okay. There she is.
Hello children. So now we will start with exercise 9.1. Hope you have seen the introduction to this trigonometry chapter for this exercise 9.1, and I'm sure you must have clearly understood what is angle of elevation, what is angle of depression, what is line of sight, and what is the horizontal level. So now exercise 9.1, the first question. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. So this is AB is the pole. Now the question, it is evident that you have to find out what is AB. What is given? It is given that the artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. This is the rope. That means hypotenuse is given. And another thing which is given is that the angle which the rope makes with the ground, it is 30 degrees. Okay. So now you have to find out AB. Very easy. So let us take ABC as the triangle. So solution. If ABC is the triangle, we want to find out AB. So very simple. If we take sine 30. Sine 30 will be perpendicular by hypotenuse. It will be AB by AC, or sine 30, you know, it is 1 by 2. What is AB? You don't know. What is AC? It is 20, or 20 by 2 is equal to AP, or I can say AP is equal to 10 meter. Clear? So the final statement you will write, hence the height of the pole is 10 meter. Okay, don't forget to write the final statement. Got it? Okay. Now we go to the second question. For the second question, you have a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. Now for this particular question, first you draw the diagram. So let this be the tree. Okay. Now what do you have? So this is the ground. So now this tree is broken at this end. Okay, and this part joins here. Okay, so I am doing one thing and extend it in this. If I extend this, what happens? Actually it now looks realistic. This length and this length. Okay, so this is the point where the tree breaks. So and this is the foot of the tree, and this is the ground where the tree touches, and this part DA is the part which is broken. D is touching C. So I can say that AD is equal to AC. Okay. So this is your ground, which is the tree touches at 8 meter distance. It is given over here, and then it is the top touches the ground, which is 8 meter, and another thing is given that this angle is 30 degrees. Okay, So the question is find the height of the tree, total height of the tree. Okay, this is the foot of the tree and this is the top of the tree. So what can I say? In this right angle triangle ABC, I can say cos 30 degree is equal to BC by AC, base by hypotenuse. Okay, what is cos 30? It is root 3 by 2. What is BC? BC is 8 by AC. So I can write that AC is equal to 16 by root 3 meters. Okay, so now we have got AC, which is equal to, as I told you, it is equal to AD. Okay, so before that let me write that let BD be the length of the tree. Okay, so now you have got 80. Fine. Now again another thing you have. What is it? You know that AC is 16 by root 3 and you know base is 8 and you know this particular angle. So I am using this particular tan 30 degree. Can I write the tan 30 as AB by BC? AB by BC? Yes. Now what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. And what is AB? We don't know. What is BC? It is 8. Or I can write AB is equal to 8 by root 3 meter. Okay. So why did I use this tan 30? Because I wanted to find out AP. Now I have got AD and I have got AP. What is BD? Therefore, BD is equal to AB plus AD. This was your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. So add it. It is 16 root 3 plus 8 by root 3. So 16 plus 8 is 24 root 3. Or in order to remove this root 3, what can I do? Rationalize root 3 by root 3. It is 24 root 3 by 3 and it is 8. So can I write it here? It is 8 root 3. That means BD is equal to 8 root 3. Okay. What is it? It is in meter. Sorry for writing it here, but I had no space over here. Fine. So here we complete question number 2. Are you able to understand? This BD is the tree. From point A, the tree breaks. Now D touches point C, and BC, the ground where the tree touches, is at 8 meters from the foot of the tree, and the angle that the top part of the tree makes with the ground is 30 degree. So the question is here, find the total height of the tree. So let BD be the total height of the tree. Okay. So I have taken here, let cos 30. Now you will be using your trigonometry ratios. So why I have used cos 30? Because I know the hypotenuse and I know the ground and I want this hypotenuse. Okay, if I get the hypotenuse, that means I am getting that part of the tree which is broken. So for that I am using cos 30, which is BC by AC. Now cos 30 you know root 3 by 2, so 8 by AC, and then you find out AC is equal to 16 by root 3, that which is AD. Then for AP I use tan because I know the base, I know this is 30 degree. I want the height AB. So for that I have used tan ratio. So tan 30 is equal to AB by BC, and then I have found out AB. So total length BD is equal to DA plus BA. So I have added, and then I have got 823. Fine. Question number 2 is over. Now I go to question number 3. It's a bit long question, but the solution is very easy. You can very well visualize this particular question. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground, whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? So this question is divided into 2 parts. So let me complete the first part. Okay. For the children below the age of 5 years, so I am starting it here. I will divide this page into 2 parts. Okay. So this is for below children below 5 years. Okay, for them. So she has made a slide. I am doing it like this. Okay. She prefers the slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. So this particular height is 1.5. Okay, and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. For elder children and for elder children, what has she decided? That it will be a little bit steeper one. See, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter, and it is inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length in each case? Okay, so that means they are asking, suppose A, B, C, then what is AC? And if it is P, Q, R, then what is PR? This is the length of this slide. So let me do this one first. In this particular triangle, I can very well, this is C. We have the perpendicular, we know we want to find out the hypotenuse. So very simple, sin 30 is equal to AB by AC. So what is sin 30? It is 1 by 2. It is equal to, what is AB? 1.5 by AC, or I can write AC is equal to 3 meter, because 1.5 into 2 it is 3 meter. Similarly, for this particular triangle PQR, with what you will use? Again sine 60, because this perpendicular is given, we want to find out the hypotenuse. It is equal to PQ by PR. What is sine 60? It is root 3 by 2. And what is PQ? It is 3 by PR. Okay, or this implies PR is equal to, I think there is some problem in the pen. So PR is equal to 2, this is PR is equal to 3 into 2 by root 3. Okay, so I can write this as root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 into 2 by root 3. So I can write it as 2 root 3 meters. Okay, so now I have got PR and I have got AC. So hence the length of the, therefore the length of the slides are 3 meter and 2√3 meter respectively. Clear? So these are the two values that you should remember. Question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point to the ground, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So I am first drawing the figure. Okay, angle of elevation of the, let this be the tower. It is telling that angle of elevation, so this will be the elevation. You all know, top of the tower from a point of the ground which is 30 meters. So ground is this 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. This is the foot of the tower and this is the top of the tower, and this is 30 degree. Okay, so find the height of the tower. For that, what you need, that means you need this, I am naming it A, B, C. I need AB. Okay, so as usual, which trigonometry ratio you will be using? So let me first write, let AB be the height of the tower. Fine. Okay, so I am using this trigonometry ratio. Tan 30 degree is equal to AB by BC. AB by BC, perpendicular by base. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by √3. And what is AB? We don't know. What is BC? It is 30, or I can write AB is equal to 30 by √3 meter. Again, this is √3. We avoid a irrational number in the base, so I can write AB is equal to 30 by √3 into √3 by √3. So this becomes 30 √3 by 3. So cancel out. So it is 10 √3 meters. Okay. So what is the final statement? I will write, therefore the height of the tower is 10 √3 meter. You can do one thing. If you remember the value of √3, what is √3? Value of √3, it is 1.732. If you remember the value of √3, then you can multiply it with 10. Okay, so you can get the value. Fine. So this is question number 4. So today what I do, I complete till question number 4, and the rest all questions I will do in my next video. So till then, practice till question number 4 along with the statements, everything. And remember that whenever you are solving a question on trigonometry, you have to draw the diagram. Okay, diagram carries some marks, so always remember to draw the diagram, label it properly, and then write what is AB, what is BC, everything should be written properly, and then the final statement also. So thank you for now. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment box. Till then, take care and bye.